20 kW Generac.error code 15 of 5. Replace start relay.still get 1505 code.
Do you know the model of your Generac tool or machine? How old is it?
Model #OJ9323. Purchased in 2013. Installed in 2018.
How long has this been going on with your Generac? What have you tried so far?
Just happened 2 weeks ago. Ordered new start relay.installed it today.still getting 1505 code.says RPM sensor lost.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Battery is good.can hear choke closing.doesn't even turn starter over.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. What are the item number and serial number of the genset?
Model number 0J9323 serial E8063507. 20 kW general generator. Generac.
Those are the numbers for the engine only. I need the numbers for the genset.
That is the number for the generator. Only number I have.
The E in the serial number? It stands for engine. Those are the numbers of the engine only, not the entire genset. I need the numbers for the genset. They will be on a different tag, not on the engine itself.
Customer attachment January 14, 2023 21:49 a.m. Did you get the pic?
According to your serial number, this unit has never been activated. Has the unit been working previously?
I bought it in DEC 2013. Customer backed out of sale. Installed it for my personal use October 2018. Still have activation code. Been working perfectly until now.
Strange. Generac's database is showing it as not activated. If the unit is not even cranking, remove the control panel, leave everything plugged in. Underneath the control panel is a relay. At the relay, locate wire 56 and remove it from the relay. Test wire 56 for 12 volts while setting the switch to manual. Do you get 12 volts on wire 56?
Installed new relay on it today. No 12 volts on coil wires when in manual.
I'm not worried about the coil wires. I need to know if wire 56 has 12 volts while in manual.
I will have to check it out tomorrow when it's daylight. Didn't notice any numbers on any of the 4 wires on relay. Which wire is number 56? I've got 2 reds. 1 black and 1 blue. Black and blue are coil wires.
Each wire will have a number stenciled on it. They will be marked 0, 13, 16 and 56. 56 will most likely be blue, 0 black, and 13 and 16 red, but check them.
Okay. Will do tomorrow. If no 12 volt on number 56, where do I go then?
If there is no 12 volts, then either wire 56 is broken between the relay and the controller, or the controller is bad.
Ouch. Was afraid it might be evolution controller. If I jumper 2 red wires, engine turns over fine. Just not getting power to that relay. TKS for your help. We'll check number 56 tomorrow.
Okay. Have you checked wire 56 yet?
No power on number 56 when in Manuel. Looks like I need new controller.
Make sure to check the wire for breaks first. The controller will set you back some serious coin. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment out, use the star chart and rate my assistance.
Traced 56 visually back to controller, check pin and plug. All good. And yes, new evolution controller is $400. Gotta have it though. TKS. Very much for your help. Been waiting on Northside Power since 9 December. With your help I will fix it myself. And yes, I will give you an excellent rating. Thanks again.
Yes, I am a Generac service dealer, so I am fully aware of the cost of the controller.
I'm a 70 years old master electrician, retired now. Grain elevators was my forte until I got too old to climb. Lol. Authorized Generac installer since 2011 but not certified to do warranty repairs. New electronic gadgets confuse us old guys. Lol. Any advice on where to purchase new controller?
The part number is you could do an internet search to price shop, but here are two links. https://www.zillerelectric.com/products/Generac 0J8371C 2013 air-cooled evolution sync 20 control panel https://www.amazon.com/Generac 0J8371C generator controller assembly/DP/B01BKV4. I don't have a website up and going yet, but I couldn't compete with these online prices anyhow. My best price would be slightly higher than both of these.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.